Welcome back to my YouTube channel, Crafty Girl and Gamer Boy. I think Gamer Boy wants to say that he wants to make more gaming videos.
Yeah, I haven't made enough gaming videos.
Yeah,
I'm sorry, guys.
Yes, Lockie wants to make more gaming videos.
I think making slime and stuff is easier to do than making gaming.
So, anyway, today we're going to unbox Elmer's Goo Unicorn Butter Slime.
Oh, I guess
It's goo, see? And yeah. So it was a little bit noisy in there. So I moved to another room. We've got our placemat here. And then we've got our Elmer's Goo Unicorn Butter. So it looks like there's like a butter slime up there. It looks like air dry clay or some putty. And then I got this because of the clear slime. It is so beautiful. So then we're just going to peel this off. Peel the plastic off. It's really quiet in here, which is good. I should have moved in here the whole time. So this is going to be a quick rating video, because I just want to kind of get into it. So first we have this, which is nice. It comes in a different spot. Now let's just unwrap this. Okay. Moment of truth. Are you ready? 3, 2, 1. Oh my gosh, it is so... The stretch is not the best, but it is so thick and it is the perfect slime for poking. Like, okay, I'll do some satisfying clips of it, but first I'm just going to do a bit of an overview. So it's a bit hard to get out, but it's just like jelly, like it's not too wet at all, and the stretch is not the best, but I just wish you could make something this clear with like something this thick. I don't know how Elmers makes it like this, but I really would like to know. I really like to make this slime myself. Like, how do I do this myself? Like, this is like glassy. This is like the glassy clear slime. It is perfect for poking, even though you might not be able to see it now, guys. Like, you can't, it doesn't look the best on the placemat I have. It is so clear and so stretchy and so thick. So anyone watching this video, anyone that wants to get Elmer's Goo Glassy Clear, I would definitely recommend it. The stretch is quite good. The stretch is really good actually, but look how clear it is. That just is amazing. This is like my dream slime. I've always wanted a thick, clear slime. There are a few air bubbles, but I think those will clear up. Now we'll look at this. But first, here are the satisfying videos of the Glassy Clear. Like I said, it was a little hard to get back in the container. I took these stickers off so you could see what it looked like when I push it down. But all this stuff, it's like this sticky stuff from the sticker. So I just like to say that's not part of the clear slime. So this is what it looks like. It's really satisfying poking it. Ready? It doesn't seem as satisfying and as clear on camera, but it is so nice and clear and thick. It's really bad for making like bubbles, but it's really good for anything else. Like, it's really nice stretch, but like stretching it like this, it just doesn't stretch a lot. But there's nothing wrong with that. It's just if you want to make, if you want a bubbly slime, this is not the one for you. Now let's look at this one. So I'm going to open this. Okay, I have it open. It feels really dry from inside the packet, so I hope it's fine. Also, I'd just like to say I just got this from Woolworths. That's where I got it from. And oh my gosh, this isn't dry at all. This is so wet. This is like a putty, but really wet. Now, the bit that I'm going to struggle to do is to get it out. Oh, here we go. That's easy. Okay, I'll just get it all as much as I can out. Actually got all of it out, and it's definitely not a putty. It's just like a really wet kind of slime, butter slime. It is like wet like a slime. It's not really a putty. It's like more stretchy than a putty. Like, it feels like a putty unless you stretch it. It feels more like a slime. The stretch is quite satisfying until it rips because it's so wet. The poke, I know you're supposed to mix this in with the Glassy clear, but I'm actually happy with the Glassy clear at the moment. I'm just going to take a little bit of the Glassy clear and mix it in and see what happens. So we've got our Glassy clear here, very nice and crystally. See, if I like zoom back really far, how much can I zoom? I mean, look at that. When you're watching this, go higher up, stand up. You can hardly see that there's just a slime there. It's so clear. Now I'm just going to add a little bit. I've got more Glassy clear than butter because this slime name is unicorn butter, so of course you have to mix them in. It's becoming more stretchy. Now guys, is it worth mixing these two in? The pink one isn't really worth keeping, but I don't know if it's worth mixing these two in because this is just something you could make out of normal Elmer's glue. And besides, it's kind of a lot of money for this stuff, so I think you should keep the Glassy clear. See, look how satisfying that is. It's so satisfying. So, yeah, look at that. I really think my suggestion is that you should keep the Glassy clear, or your slime will look like this. But I'll just do a test compared between them. Okay, so first we'll do a stretch test for both of them. Oh my gosh. Okay, let me just roll them out like this. We'll try the stretch test again, guys. 1. Okay. 2. It's gonna keep going. But the stretch test doesn't really matter for this one. I just like how clear it is. The main thing about it is that it's clear, it's so nice. And crystally. And now we'll do drop test. I don't think any of these will win. Yeah, not really. Slime swirl, which slime swirl looks the best? Okay, so that's the slime swirl for that. I don't think slime swirls usually matter, but for when you're testing them, but I think I like this one more. I just think this really kind of ruins what you've bought. I mean, I'll mix this in because I'm not really happy with the clay on its own, but I think you should keep them separate because they're so nice separate. I've always wanted a slime like this. Poke is amazing. What about the poke for this one? The poke for this one is good. I'd say it goes through. So, is this worth getting this slime? We'll ask that. now. Okay, so overall, I think, is it worth getting Glassy Clear from Elmers? Definitely. For $12 in Australian at Woolworths, this, oh my gosh, is worth it. It has everything except for slime bubbles, and if you get this, I wouldn't like dye it or anything, because the main point of it is that it's so nice and clear. Because the poke is amazing, very satisfying with like how thick it is. The stretch is nice. It's like, the smell, it kind of, I never checked the smell. It kind of smells like apple. I think it's just the ingredients they used. But yes, I would recommend this, and my rating is, I don't think you should mix these together. I think you should mix a little bit of this in. My rating of these two slimes are altogether, buying it for $12, I'd say my rating out of 10 would be an 8. So thanks for watching. I hope this helps you if you want to get Glassy Clear slime. I just figured out that it is quite good as at the drop test. You should see it from above. It's absolutely beautiful. It's very jelly-like and really stretchy. So I think it's very much worth getting the 2-pack or just the Glassy Clear on its own. Whatever you can find.